Alright guys, in this video we're going to cover how Kylie Cosmetics turns $1 into $59, and the reason I'm making this video is because your Facebook ads right now might be performing well, but you're just not optimizing what happens after they click on your ad. And for that reason we're going to cover the whole funnel of Kylie Cosmetics, what they're doing in order to get the most out of that $1 that they're investing into their ads, so that by the end of this video you'll be able to apply these tactics to your store to increase your conversion rate, how much you profit from it, and help you scale much more easier your Facebook ads. So we're going to start with their Facebook ads, so what happens after their customer click on their ad. In this example, we have these image ads that you can see on the left, and when the customer click on this ad, this is where they land. So this is just a typical product page, but they have some elements that are helping them get the most out of that dollar that they have invested into their ads. So when you're looking at this product, you can see this is some hybrid blush here, and when you scroll just a little bit down, just below default, you can see they have this section here that says pair it with. This section is a very important section for them, and this is the reason why they have put it just at the start of the below default section, and it helps them sell other products that are very relevant to the product that the customer is looking at. So if the customer is looking at this hybrid blush, and when you scroll down, you can see they have this brush that pairs very well with that blush. Now, a lot of my audience is males, but I'm sure you kind of understand that this product goes very well with this one. And for that reason, when you show your customers what are other products that they can pair the main product with, that just makes it very native for them to click on the add to cart and add this product to the cart, and therefore they get to spend more on your store and you get to maximize how much you get from your Facebook ads. What's very important regarding this is that you just want to make it super easy to add it to the cart. You just want to have a single button. You just want to have a very clear picture what the product is about, and you can as well add some of the benefits of the product so they know what they will get if they add this thing to the cart. So this is the first thing they're doing. This is cross sales, and they are making it very relevant to the product that they're looking at, which is very important thing. The next thing they're doing is that when you scroll a little bit down, you can see they have this section here, which is a bundle maker. This thing is called Build a Routine, and what it essentially does is that it suggests you all the different products that go well together, and that helps your customer essentially build a routine on the product they're looking at, and therefore it makes sense for them to add this whole package to the cart, and therefore you get to increase your average order value. Once again, you can see how easy to process and understand what this bundle is about. You can just select this shade, you can add this thing to the cart, you can once again select this shade and add it to the cart. So very short and very easy to understand. This is what makes your customer act on it. You don't want to overwhelm that, because remember, they're looking at this product here, and all these other products that you're showing are just a complementary product to the main product that they have found on your Facebook and then landed on your product page. So for that reason, this is another thing. It's a bundle maker. So if you can make products that go well together and you can pair them as a bundle, that can really make a difference for your AOV and for your bottom line. Another thing is that not all of your customers that are looking at the product that they have landed on are willing to buy. It might be that the Facebook ad just caught their attention, they have landed on it, but they're not really interested in buying this product. For these type of customers that are not interested in that one, the downsells play a huge role, and this is what they're doing on the bottom of their product page. So for this type of visitor that is not interested in the main product that they're looking at, you always want to show them other products that they can explore in your store that they might be interested in, and therefore you get them to buy all these other products. This is how you get most out of your ad spend, because now that percentage of people that's not interested in this blush, they'll find all the other products and therefore potentially buy them from you, and you get to increase your ad spend, right? So these three things are very important things if you want to make your customers buy more from you, and this is what we do with our 7 and 8 figure clients. We always find a way how we can show and merchandise more product into their funnel, how we can personalize them as well, so that the visitors see them and find the benefit of adding that to the cart, so we get to increase the AOV and profit margin. And by the way, if you'd like me to audit your store and to give you ideas on what are the things you can do right now in order to increase your conversion rate and profitability, you can fulfill the form in the link in the description, and I'll give you a personalized audit for your brand on what are the things you can do right now to boost your profitability. Alright, so we have the product page, and let's say the customer is now persuaded to add this product to the cart with some upsells perhaps, and they have added it to the cart. And the next stage is where you can get them even further to buy more from you, because at this point they have shown the intent to buy from you, and this is where the cart drawer comes into the place. In this example, at the top, first thing we have is the free shipping threshold. This is a very powerful thing because now your customers know that if they spend more money with you, they will get something for free. And in this example, it's the free shipping thing. It's also very important that you want to make it as a gamification. So you want to have that visual threshold paired with the text. So it's very easy to understand how close they are to get the free shipping thing. But if you just show them free shipping thing, that's not enough. There's a next thing that you want to do to make this thing happen. You want to show them other products that they can add to the cart and therefore achieve this free shipping thing. What's also very important here in regarding to the cross sells in the cart drawer is that you want to as well make them very easy to add to the cart so that your customer just can click on it and therefore it gets added to the cart and they get a free shipping thing. Another thing here is that, as you can see, they have this Kylie rewards program, so customers might create the account to earn 22 points with their purchase. We will cover this a little bit later. This is extremely important for increasing how much you profit from your customers. But for now, you can just see that they're showing the message that they have some program going on and the customer can subscribe to it to get some free points, right? When you show them all these different things and all these different cross sells, your customers have to pay for your product. But the thing is that if you have increased the AOV, the price goes up and there's a bigger friction for your customers to proceed with placing the order because now they have to pay more for their cart, right? So this is why on the bottom they are doing this thing which is called the pay in installments. So when they want to go to the checkout, now they know that they can pay it in interest-free payments and it automatically does the calculation of how much each payment will cost. This is huge for reducing the friction because it's just much more easier for your customers to pay in more installments rather than paying it all at once. So now your customers have added all these things to the cart, you have increased your AOV, they have placed the order, and this is where most of the marketers actually stop, and this is one of the biggest mistakes of how they're not utilizing that $1 that they have invested into their ad. If you want to get the most out of that dollar, you have to optimize the whole experience that happens before the purchase and after the purchase. Because if you think about it, you have spent your money to get your new customers and you want to squeeze as much as possible dollars from them to get more profit and you get to scale much more aggressively. The best brands, what are they doing is that they're optimizing the post-purchase experience. So in this example, we can see we have Kylie Cosmetics loyalty program that is being very aggressive after their customers have placed the order. What you can do with Kylie Cosmetics program, you can get like insane rewards. You get free standard shipping on every order, exclusive discounts. You can get some free products here. And this is how they're actually making their customers spend even more money after they have placed the order. Now let's see how this loyalty program works so you can get sense and apply it to your brand. Here we have ways to earn points. So you earn points by just spending more. It's needless to say how this will increase your bottom line. Then you get some points when you create the account. Then you will earn some points once you follow them on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. This is how you get the points. But what this actually does is that you get to follow them and on their pages, they will also push some of the promotions and stuff. Now you will be even more exposed to their ads and therefore whenever they announce the sale on their Instagram or TikTok, you will see the sale and you will potentially buy from them. Also, if you write a review or a review with a photo, you will get some points. And if you write a review with a photo, their new visitors will see that review and therefore it will help them with reducing their cost per acquisition. So now it's acting as a sales asset on their website. Also, when you sign up on SMS or email messages, you're also getting into their list. So now they can sell you other stuff through email or SMS. And that's once again how you're being exposed to get more of their promotions directly into your inbox. So by doing all these things just to get some points, they're maximizing how much they're getting from that $1 that they have invested into their ads. And it's not only about the Facebook ads, you can see the whole funnel that they're doing and after the purchase to get the most out of that thing. And another thing that I want to show you is that on the bottom of this loyalty program page, they have a refer a friend section. So there's a good portion of people that will refer a friend in order to get 20% off and their friend will also get 20% off. And now they're also getting all the other people into their funnel from this referral program and are even more profiting from their Shopify store. So after doing all these things, you can see how much are they doing in order to maximize that dollar that they have put into the Facebook ads. It's not only about changing creatives and stuff, it's also about what happens after the click, because you have already spent your money on your Facebook ads, and what you want to do now, you want to maximize how much are you going to get out of that dollar that you have spent on your ads before your customers buy your product and even after they buy it. In fact, it's even easier to maximize that dollar after they buy it because they have already decided to trust you and buy from you, and now it's only your job to make them come back with some offers and stuff and make them buy even more from you. So if you'd like me to audit your funnel and your accounts and let you know what are the bottlenecks you can do right now in order to maximize how much you profit from your Shopify store, you can fulfill the form in the link in the description, and I'll give you a personalized audit for your case. And if you like this video, you can check out this next playlist in which I break down all these successful stores, what they're doing and what you can apply from them in order to maximize your conversion rate and profit more from your Shopify store.